Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we gotta get Dray right because it was way too long since he got a retwist. And the product that I'm going to be using on his retwist is the Nappstar Super Hold Retwist Gel. I love this stuff. It smells really good. And it kind of melts into your hair. Like it almost like turns into like an oil. So I really do like that because it helps with keeping the buildup at bay or to a minimum. Obviously, when you use products on locks, no matter what, eventually you will experience some kind of buildup. So I really wanted this retwist to be kind of relaxing. Let you guys watch. I didn't really want to talk too much because you guys have seen me do Dray's hair many times. If you haven't, I will put his playlist up in the cards so you can check out all the other videos that I have with Dray. During this retwist, you'll see me do some of his locks like the palm rolling method. Some of them I do the comb retwist method. It really just depends. Do not come at me crazy in the comments about using a comb on his hair. His locks are definitely matured now. They're not like super mature because I think it's only been maybe about a year and a half. Maybe he's pushing 2 years. I really don't know. Maybe it has been 2 years. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask him. But his hair is definitely more mature now, so I'm not really worried about combing out any of the parts that are starting to lock up. If I am doing someone's hair and I notice that their roots are locking, I do not use a comb on their hair. It really just depends on the person. So I hope you guys enjoyed this retwist. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them down below. So once I put some foam on his hair and I wrap it up, I actually have this new attachment that I've been using on my clients, and all you do is just hook it up to your blow dryer, and I had him dry for maybe about 25, 30, maybe even 35 minutes, just to make sure that everything was nice and dry. And then I told him that I really wanted to try this style on him, so that's what you're gonna see me do. But he didn't get a haircut before I did his hair, so he wasn't really feeling it, how, you know, the sides were like puffy and whatnot. So I did end up taking it out. You guys will see that later on, and then I will show you guys the end results. But I still want to show you guys how exactly I do my barrel twists. Yeah, buddy. You like it? You want me to take it out?
Probably.
Yeah. Oh, but it looks so good.
Yeah,
it looks so good though.
yeah, but that's the problem right here.
I know. So I just keep it wrapped up until then.
Yeah, that was a possibility.
I'll take it out.
I mean, next time, like, if I get like a haircut beforehand.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
That's the whole fucking fault. They're gonna stay out the way a little bit.
I'm dead. So this is the final results. I love doing Dray's hair. He is like my best client. He never complains, never winces, none of that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, his playlist will be up in the cards. So if you want to check out the other videos I have done with him and maybe see my progress or see me do his hair with other products, you guys can go ahead and check that out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.